Well, hey guys, and welcome to a very quick video. Now, I don't want to waste any time on the intro, so let's dive into 10 Lightroom tips in 75 seconds. For the first tip, we have backslash before and after. Simply hit the backslash key for before and after. When you're using the brush tool, make sure you have auto mask selected, and this will help you stay within the lines. In the spot removal tool, change it to heal instead of clone for way better results. When you're first starting out in Lightroom, use the auto tone feature to let Lightroom work its magic. A nice handy shortcut to export your photos is Command-Shift-E. To get different crop overlays, open up the crop tool and press O. You can cycle through a ton of these. If you want to edit just one spot on your image, you can do so using the graduated or radial filter. Simply mask over the area, and now you can change it as you wish. If you've pushed a slider a little bit too far and you just want to reset it, simply double click on the slider and it will reset it to 0. If your white balance is looking a little bit off in your image, come over to the dropper here, select a part of the image that should be pure white, and Lightroom will automatically adjust it for you. If you want to keep your horizon straight and accurately level your shot, come over to the crop tool, click on the little ruler here, and then draw a line across the horizon, and that will straighten out your shot perfectly. And that's going to wrap it up there. 10 Lightroom tips in 75 seconds. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like below, leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!